Experts from around the world have slammed profit-seeking private prison system in the United States, saying that inmates in these prisons have fallen victim to modern slavery. The United States has less than 5% of the world's population. However, it has almost a quarter of the world's prisoners. Due to the financial burden, the U.S. government has largely outsourced prison services to private prisons.
Que tener prisioneros en las cárceles en Estados Unidos es un gran negocio. Y por eso Estados Unidos tiene el porcentaje de población más alto del mundo encarcelado.
The privatization of the U.S. prison system is definitely one of the things that is leading to the commercialization of otherwise government correctional services. So we know that in the U.S. money is everything, and it doesn't matter the means, provided they get, at the end, and that is profit.
Statistics show that more than 70% of immigration detention centers are run by private companies. Immigrants, who are desperate to flee from turmoil or poverty, have fallen victim to modern slavery in U.S. private prisons.
In the U.S., of course, we know that there is the discrimination, there's racial discrimination. And if you're not white, then you have no identity that is worth protecting. And they feel that if you're in the US and you came as a migrant, then definitely you are desperate and you can be misused in any way.
The conditions of the prison system just exacerbate our illness. Most prison cells are cold and drafty. Folks don't have adequate bedding, adequate clothing. And so, absolutely, the medical care system within inside prisons is atrocious. Poor people on the outside can barely get medical care. So folks inside cages across this country, they're treated less than an animal. Some dogs and cats get better care than folks who are incarcerated.